is a multifaceted globe that invites mankind to explore it. Nations in this world have been successful in this regard that have emphasized on the education of their natives. Education plays an important role in the development and progress of the society. Muslim Ummah's downfall is subjected to the non-serious attitude towards education. In Pakistan, our continued neglect of education has put our nation on the back burner in the important areas of national life like economy, politics and institution building. In our country, the literacy rate is very low, and as per SAARC countries, we have been ranked at the lowest level in education. Our present-day educational system is out of sync with the demands of the age as well as our historical and ideological context. Keeping this depressing situation in view, the renowned scholar of the age, Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri, got onto the task of rebuilding the society on its firm and sound footings. As a preliminary step towards this goal, he identified education as the first area to be reformed with a view to laying the foundation of a healthy and dynamic society. He traced the flaws of our current educational system and then set out a crystal clear vision of a purposeful education.
आज से तकरीबन 20 साल कबल 18 सितंबर 1986 को मौसूफ डॉक्टर साहब ने जामिया इस्लामिया मिनहाजुल कुरान के नाम से एक ऐसी दरसगाह की बुनियाद रखी जिसका मकसद था कि एक मिसाली निज़ाम तालीम और तरबियत मुल्क व मिल्लत के सामने पेश किया जाए, जिससे इल्म और तालीम का मेयार भी बुलंद हो और पढ़ने पढ़ाने वालों का किरदार भी समझ सके। चुनांचे इसके आला मेयार के पेश नज़र यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट्स कमीशन ने 1992 में इसकी शहादत आलविया की सनद को MA के बराबर तस्लीम किया और ये MA इस्लामियात और MA अरबी की डिग्री तस्लीम की गई।
जो रिक्वायरमेंट पंजाब की हुकूमत ने, एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ने इस हवाले से की है, उसे कहीं बढ़ के मेरिट के ऊपर इनकी यूनिवर्सिटी को चार्टर मिलना चाहिए था।
चौधरी परवेज़ इलाही साहब वज़ीर आला पंजाब ने और उनकी पूरी हुकूमत पंजाब और उनकी टीम ने कमाल दर्जा मोहब्बत के साथ और अदायगी फ़रीज़ा के एहसास के साथ दी मिनहाज यूनिवर्सिटी को प्योरली मेरिट्स की बुनियाद पर फ़रोग़ तालीम के जज्बा से चार्टर दिलाया और आज हमारे कैंपस में आकर वो चार्टर हमारे सपुर्द किया। मैं इस पर उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। The basic aims and objectives of education and educational system according to our education vision, I mean educational vision of Minhajul Quran and educational vision of the Minhaj University. It is primarily the character building of students. Basically, the students are the nation builders. They have to construct the nation. They have to build the future of nation. And our education vision is to provide a system of education to them which fulfills all needs and requirements of a comprehensive development of their personality. Human personality has many aspects and phases. Biological aspect, there is psychological aspect, sociological aspect, cultural aspect, spiritual aspect, transcendental aspect and psychical aspect. So our education vision feels that we are under a responsibility to fulfill all needs of various aspects of human personality. So the education system and education which we are going to inculcate in the lives of our students is at the same time fulfilling the physical needs and metaphysical needs. It fulfills the temporal needs and spiritual needs. It at the same time fulfills the earthly needs and ethereal needs. It fulfills the material needs and conceptual, philosophical and spiritual needs of their life to create a comprehensive totality of the life. So our education system is at the same time market and job oriented. We fulfilled the needs of contemporary era and we combined the both at the same time. So this is a different vision as compared to other educational systems and educational institutions.
The Minhaj University is an everlasting symbol of such an eminence and supremacy. It embarked upon the mission to shape the future by educating the new generation in a supportive environment. The Minhaj University, located in Lahore, is renowned for its exciting approach to the higher education, beautiful campuses and excellent student life with more than 200 canals, landscape, parkland, fields, trees and playgrounds, jogging tracks, mosques and hospitals. TMU is one of the Lahore's largest and most beautiful campuses. It was founded on the principle that students should be equipped with a broad vision of education and grooming rather than be confined to a narrow area of studies.
The Minhaj University has enlarged its educational setup under various disciplines according to the national needs. We are a progressive organization which will keep on introducing the latest developments in the field of arts, science and technology.
TMU leads to a sound career path which enhances the standards of knowledge as well as professional structure and requirements. In this educational institute of modern and traditional knowledge, over 3,000 students are undergoing the process of continuous education and wisdom. Social, religious, modern, scientific and technical education is included in the syllabus.